right. So,
So carbon there only gets 1 electron. This one is plus 3.
so how do we divide it for oxidation state? Who is more electronegative? Oxygen versus carbon?
Oxygen.
Oxygen wins all the electrons. And so when we compare it to formal charge, there's a difference in the electron count. Over here, oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normally has 6. And so 0 has the right amount. Over here, oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has 2 extra electrons, which means it's minus 2. There's 2 extra electrons. This oxygen here wins all the electrons. It's more electronegative than both carbon and hydrogen. That's 2, 4, 6, 8. It's minus 2. Whereas this oxygen over here, 2, 4, 5, 6, 0. And so it's the exact same molecule, just a different way of counting the electrons. So carbon versus carbon,
Split it up.
it's a tie, right? Carbon versus hydrogen, carbon
So
wins.
it's
All of them.
And so this carbon ends up with just 1 electron. It's supposed to have how many?
4.
4.
And that's where the plus 3 comes from.
Yeah, and this carbon ends up with 2, 4, 6, 7. It's supposed to have 4.
Minus 3.
See, plus 3 minus 3 gives an average of
0.
0. So that's why when you do the old rules, it comes out 0, but that's not the case. So the 2 carbons are very different. And so this is why I want you to do it this way from now on, rather than the other way.
And the only way to do that is to look at the drawn out molecule.
The Lewis structure. You don't have to do it for everything, but you'll see difference. Now, how do we use these numbers? That's what we're learning right now. So 1 is just to know how to do the numbers, and then 2, we'll start talking about how to use these numbers to figure out the acidity. So we're going to come back to the sulfuric acid and acetic acid and then take a look at that and see. But this is it. It's just a simple counting method. Lewis, formal charge, oxidation state. And formal charge, we count the electrons assuming 100% covalent. Oxidation state, we count the electrons assuming 100% ionic bonds. Is it 100% covalent, 100% ionic? No, somewhere between, but it's okay. And then octet, we just look at the electrons surrounding each other. Does that answer?
Yeah.